Okay, so greetings everyone. I am Atin Nadeem. I'm from the team Nexus Fab. Right? My teammates are here as well, Bilal Sajid and Fazullah. We are from the University Jamia Millia Islamia. Our problem statement is the first problem statement that we had. Conversational fashion outfit generator powered by GenAI. Okay, so this is the homepage of our application. Right now, all these products that you see are generated from the database. Like there's no order to them. Let's try signing up. Okay, so let's try first name last name is test and anything for the purpose of this demonstration, right? Password can be any password that we have, right? So date of birth is actually really vital to our testing parameters, age parameters. Okay, so let's try let's try 25. Okay, gender can be male, phone number can be 00002 Okay, so address can be address here is required in the form of a city. So let's try New Delhi. Okay, let's sign up. So now we have signed up for our application, and let's try logging in. So the original mail that we had, right? Password be 00000. Okay, so let's try logging in. Right. Okay, so as you can probably see, right now there are two categories here displayed on our home page, right? First of all, there's our products, and second of all, there's trending in your location. Now, trending in your location, all these products that are displayed here are generated by a large language model plugin that is available in our application, based on the location which is provided by the user at the time we signed up. Okay, so let's try adding some products or to wish list and to carts. Maybe any product would do for now. Okay, so let's try adding all this. Okay, so we have added all these skills to the cart. Let's try reloading. Okay, so right now, originally we had two categories. Right now we have three categories available to us: our products, trending in your location, and recommended for you. So this category of products that we have recommended for you, these recommendations are generated in our application, this category here, by the user preference, age, gender, location, all the information from his past purchases and activity in general. Okay, so it takes the context of user's activity, right? So every information, every piece of information ranging from clicks to wish lists and finally to purchases is logged and analyzed by our application to provide most authentic suggestions to the user. Okay, so let's try searching for a product here. For the sake of this demonstration, let's try Karwa Chauth dress for women. So red Karwa Chauth dress for women. Okay, so let's try clicking on the search bar here. Okay, so right now what's happening here is that this natural language search prompt that we have, which by the way is limited to like nothing as long as it's in within the domains of English language. This prompt by the user is assessed for key terms and properties by the large language model plugin that we have, referenced actively by our database, and the most appropriate suggestions, right, which includes our own product, followed by the suggestions by our application, revolving around the key tokens and the search prompt, providing potential alternatives and combinations to the user are available to us, right? So let's try clicking on a product here, right? Okay, so let's try clicking on product here. So this is a basic display of the product that we have. Okay, so we have this product displayed here for us, and right beneath this main product that we have here is the similar products category, right, which is within the context of the product that we have currently searched for, or the product which is currently displayed here. Okay, so let's try looking into another key feature of ours. So let's say, for instance, we have this product here with us. Okay, so right now I click on this button. So and going over the key feature here, we have an interactive window, as you can probably see, that the user can experiment with the product, providing affirmative prompts regarding the characteristics of the product, which best describe the user's need and his desire, or very possibly both of them at the same time, and get in return the generated product by means of stable diffusion, which is like nothing short of magic conjured up with technical prowess. Okay, let's try generating a prompt here for this image. Let's give it a prompt of generate a wardrobe for men. based on this shirt, right? Okay, based on this shirt, including a blazer and a tie, right? Okay, so let's try hitting on, let's say there are two options here. Let's try hitting on generate image, right? So I can generate image here. It sends the request back to our database, to our backend here. Okay, so as you can probably see the progress bar here, the image generation is up to 99% now. So it took a little bit of time, but we are there. So okay, so now it's done 100%. Let's head over back. Let's head back to our image generation. So okay, so as you can see, we have a generated image here, let's say, and just for your notice, we had originally we had the prompt that we had was like generate a wardrobe for men based on this shirt, including a blazer and tie. We now have a blazer and tie, and as you can probably see, this image generation button is again available to us. So like there's no limit to the number of times the user can resort to this activity. There's no absolutely no limit put in. The only limitation that we have for this is the computation and the amount of time it takes for it, which is again really low, but it's still there, right? And ultimately, when the user is satisfied with the product, whether it is generated or not, the user can request for the product to the corresponding brand by clicking over here, right? Request for the product, right? And as an added functionality, we also have this upload file to customize. Just to show you, you can probably open here and upload the image. Okay, so I request for the product, and this window closes up right now. So the request has been initiated. So okay, so head back to the home page. To the brand, request has been initiated to the brand. Okay, so back to our home page. For this application, we have harnessed the power of large language models. We have harnessed the power of stable diffusion to provide something quite extraordinary to the user. Okay, so overall, different components throughout the application, which emphasize on user interactions, characteristics, right, latest fashion trends, sync together to transcend the entire environment of online shopping to a bold, immersive, and exhilarating experience. That's it from my side. Thank you.